Education is evolving, and with it, today's teachers are building the skills of tomorrow. From July 18th to 22nd, 2026, LCE-Cameroon, based in Yaoundé, in partnership with AtlasBiostat AB, based in Sweden, organized a capacity-building workshop on digital pedagogy, artificial intelligence, and educational mentorship for secondary school teachers in Cameroon. Over 3 intensive days, experts from Cameroon, Sweden, South Africa, and the Republic of the Congo shared their knowledge and experience to support teachers in their transition toward a more innovative, interactive, and inclusive approach to education. Participants explored the foundations of digital pedagogy, learned how to design and manage courses on Moodle, develop digital learning resources, create online assessments, and leverage artificial intelligence tools to enhance teaching and learning. Through a highly practical, hands-on approach, every participant had the opportunity to experiment with digital tools, collaborate with fellow educators, and develop their own digital teaching project. The workshop also introduced participants to statistical literacy, educational data analysis, and modern approaches to online mentoring, equipping them with new skills to sustainably improve the quality of education in Cameroon. Beyond technical knowledge, the initiative fostered a vibrant community of practice, bringing together passionate educators united by a shared vision, transforming education through digital innovation in Cameroon. Participants' feedback reflected a high level of enthusiasm, increased confidence in using digital technologies, and a strong commitment to integrating these innovations into their classrooms. The closing ceremony, highlighted by the presentation of certificates, celebrated the dedication and achievements of every participant while paving the way for future collaborations and ongoing professional support. At LCE-Cameroon, we believe that every teacher we empower becomes a catalyst for change. Together with AtlasBiostat AB, we remain committed to our mission, making high-quality digital education accessible to all and preparing future generations for the challenges of the 21st century. LCE-Cameroon. Think, create, share. Because by empowering teachers, we create lasting change and shape the future of education in Cameroon and across Africa.